Hi there, I'm Knut Madsen. Let's talk about TriAxCast, our hospitality solution where the hotel guest can cast his content to the TV set. This is the TV screen the hotel guest will see when he comes to the room. Only a few steps to get going. First step is to connect to the hotel Wi-Fi. He may already be connected. I've been at the hotel before, so I'm connected. Good to go. Next step is to scan the QR code. This will secure a pairing between this device and the TV set, securing that the guest is casting to his own TV set only. This is actually the only difference in a hospitality environment compared to private environment. I'm using Google Lens for scanning the QR code. You can use whatever app you're used to. Scanning like this. Now I'm getting a confirmation from the server that this mobile phone is connected and paired also with this information paired to this TV set. From here, it's just like you're used to at home. I have a few content apps up here. Let me select this one. Here you can see that a casting icon is appearing. So this casting icon is indicating that casting is possible. So I push the casting icon. And I am only getting one option for casting, this TV. I'm pushing this. And now I'm connected, good to cast. I can select news. And casting is in progress. Now it's just to lean back and enjoy.